karon, gigiyahan ako karon sa balaang espiritu sa pagsangyaw karon sa iyang pulong.
Pastora Princess Alexa Balgos, apparently you are claiming that you are guided with the Holy Spirit to speak the truth. Synchronized with what you have posted in your Facebook, that you talk to God, God answers you through a vision. Same thing happens to Pastor Kiboloy, Ellen G. White, Pastor Feriul, Muhammad, and some other founders of the other sect or religions. If that is the case, which among of you the true one? The truth is, if you are really guided with the Holy Spirit, you can present your church history, specifically the origin of your church, the identity of your church, the name of your church, that can trace back from the apostles up to now, unending succession. Because I can see your post in your Facebook that as of now, you are still looking for an area to build your own church. Therefore, you are a self-proclaimed pastora like some other pastors that I am mentioning a while ago. A pastora without a church.
Ang nagbuhat sa langit o sa yuta, mao ang angay natong alagaran, mao igsoon, dili tong mga ribulto, dili tong mga binuhat sa tao, mga igsoon. Ani ako malipayon, ani ako na sinatin ako ang gugma kalipay diha sa Ginoo. Giluwas ko niya igsoon, kasimba pag Diyos sa una, pero kaabing igsoon ang pagkabuso sa yawa sa kuha. Ipatay niya akong mama, grabe na hitapos akong kinabuhi. But salamat